Today we will do simple chair yoga only for shoulders. फक्त खांद्याचे प्रकार आपण करूयात, ते सुद्धा खुर्चीत बसून. हँड बिसाइड यू, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. पाठीचा कणा एकदम ताठ असला पाहिजे. Palm facing up. As you inhale, bring your hands up. Touch your palms together. Stretch yourself upward. As you exhale, palm facing outside, slowly bring your hands down. Again, palm facing up. Inhale up. Exhale down. श्वास घेत हात वर. स्ट्रेच अपवर्ड. श्वास सोडत हळुवारपणे हात खाली घ्यायचे. टच युअर एल्बोज टुगेदर, palms together. As you inhale, open your elbows wide. Hug your shoulder blades together. खांदे एकदम मागे घ्या. As you exhale, touch your elbows together, palms together. Inhale, open wide. And exhale. Inhale. Hug your shoulder blades together. Take your elbows back as much as possible. Exhale. Extend your hands, palm facing up. Bend your elbows and open forcefully. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now keep your fingers on your shoulders. Touch your elbows together. As you inhale, bring your elbows up. Stretch upward. Exhale, back and down. श्वास घेत कोपरं छताच्या दिशेला खेचावरती चांगले. श्वास सोडत कोपरं मागे आणि खाली. इनहेल अप. स्ट्रेच बॅक अँड डाऊन. अदर वे. अँटी क्लॉकवाईज. अप, फ्रंट अँड डाऊन. कोपरं चांगली मागे खेचायची, वरती घ्यायची. स्ट्रेच अपवर्ड अँड एक्झेल डाऊन. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. As you inhale, interlace your fingers. As you exhale, palm facing outside. As you inhale, bring your hands up. Stretch upward. Palm facing towards the ceiling. तुमचे हाताचे तळवे छताच्या दिशेला खेचा अगदी वरती. श्वासोश्वास चालू. Keep breathing. Deep inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And as you exhale, bend on your right side. If possible, look at the ceiling through your left armpit. Keep your hands straight. हात अगदी ताठ ठेवा. श्वासोच्छ्वास चालू. As you inhale, slowly come up. As you exhale, bend on your left side. Look at the ceiling through your right armpit. Keep breathing. श्वासोच्छ्वास चालू. Inhale and exhale. श्वास घेत हळूहळू मध्ये या. स्ट्रेच अपवर्ड. स्ट्रेच. कोणीतरी वरून तुम्हाला खेचतेल. Keep your spine up. Keep breathing. असं समजा की वरून तुम्हाला कोणीतरी खेचतंय. स्ट्रेच युअर स्पाइन अपवर्ड. कीप ब्रीदिंग. अँड ॲज यू एक्झेल, स्लोली ब्रिंग युअर हँड्स डाऊन. रोल युअर शोल्डर्स अप, बॅक अँड डाऊन. इनहेल अँड एक्झेल. अप, डाऊन. श्वास घ्या, श्वास सोडा. Now anti-clockwise. मागून पुढे. Back, up and front. Inhale and exhale. Now as you inhale, bring your hands up, palm facing each other. Bend your right hand, then left hand. Now try to keep your chin parallel to the mat. तुमची हनुवटी जमिनीला समांतर करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. Keep breathing. श्वासोच्छ्वास चालू. Inhale and exhale. Stretch your elbows towards the ceiling. कोपरं छताच्या दिशेला चांगली खेचली गेली पाहिजेत. Inhale and exhale. Now extend your left hand, then right hand. Now bend your left hand first and then right hand. Stretch your elbows towards the ceiling and try to keep your chin parallel to the mat. तुमची हनुवटी जमिनीला समांतर करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. कोपरं छताच्या दिशेला चांगली खेचा. श्वासोच्छ्वास चालू. चेहरा एकदम रिलॅक्स करा. डू नॉट स्क्वीज युअर फेस. Gentle smile on your face. Deep inhale and exhale. And release your right hand and release your left hand. Namaste. If you want more shoulder movements, please write me in the comment box more. Namaste.